Kani gade ka Patisi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni.
Hakalai pui trek unailar balala. Kari Bhoi district Pynkupburom ya wai ni kirusan percai. Balayau tam karta baru bedanglong unang mikmat syakaying terbar thawan kejala hadu menta. Kata Dr. Didi Lapang. Balong menteri rang ba barem kejala bat menta komunong ai buat bahalordo jong sarkar Meghalaya. Bat kom UMLA kanong po constituency. Ya kajing lang Pynkupburom hakani kesingi la perlong da Women's Organization of Bhoi District lengba ka kanhon ke belathong kerpang pan penkre ya kani kajing Pynkupburom ke balai kerteng ke Didi Lapang Felicitation Organizing Committee bat ya kani kejelang la perlong ha mini stadium paham seem nongpo hakani kejelang Pynkupburom yo Dr. Didi Lapang Chancellor jong sekolah ba Dr. William Carey University Dr. Ken Genanakan ulalong kongsal kiwei de ke balai don Ryngkat hakani kejelang kaba ipo ipeng ki kentop ya Reverend Dr. E.R. Tongper, Reverend Father Bernard Pala, Reverend P.W. Penar, ki officer jong kena sarkar per ki nohikai ki kenhon jong ki kena skol pa ki pajba kathan Bhoi. Ki babon hi kinong karan hakani kasni kila Pyrto ya ki kam bat Synñiang jong Dr. Didi Lapang. Bar kila ai kerpang ro ya ka namu kumutau reu kraw jong kan ni kathan. Ubalayo ro ya kekerdan Doctorate of Divinity House Nam Arajar Saw naka Academy of Higher Education kabahab apo ka International Council of Higher Education Bangalore bar yakani kejo kerdan ulayo biang ro sa House Nam Arajar Reu naka Serampur College West Bengal bat kuwi de ki kerdan doctorate kom ureu san partai bala sempang ba Dr. Didi Lapang hadu menta ula job hadu prasien kenti kom UMLA bat hakini ki South House Nam balalen hadu sansien lolong menteri rang ba kejela but RCN como Deputy Chief Minister.
Dr. Didi Lapang hadin bay la pendek ya ka matric ila yo kam ko type sa ka forest office but slam ila yo kam LDA ha Assam Civil Secretariat but hadin ila keu ko UDA Dr. Didi Lapang ila yo kam ko sub inspector of schools hadin bay la try cut license ha secretariat Dr. Didi Lapang ila shakri ko sub inspector of school ko ba chief house name daga jentre shitam Ryngkat ka kambo by tray ilala ban pendek ya gajing puli jong ka Bachelor of Arts na ka St. Anthony's College Shillong Night College gajing shakri jong i kumu shakri sarkar arpulai slam kanti Dr. Didi Lapang la yo ya gajing yaro namar gajing tray minat bat gajing kit kia jong i ya ka kan ka by tray ilano Synñiang shibon lan ba ka kam sarkar ka ba i tray Dr. Didi Lapang ila siyang kurim ya Mrs. Amethyst Linda Black Jaya Shillong House Name Katkandai Spa Sanpupra ila yo arngot kikon marbako Linda Black ibalaklano bat iba badat Black Robert Black bat kikon kiksiw kibadon menta Dr. Didi Lapang bat kasang hima Dr. Didi Lapang idan gajing ang noon bat gajing terang ban syakri pajba kumta ila penpawa ikime jong i hakaman kong ikime jong i la kernga na marbi kwa i ba in long unong tray hakabalang lani banlong pasta hendai hadian by Dr. Didi Lapang ila pensutu i ila sya i Ryngkat kijing kerku kerdo banjon hakakam hima sima dai hakaslam khat kandai spa nyaw fuar ba ila resign na nakakam but ila rai banyale election. Hakasin ka manengkong ila konya ki election na kasnem katandai Spanyo buar komu independent candidate na kanong po constituency but ila job komu NLA jong kanong po constituency hadu prasin kata kasnem katandai Spanyo buar hinyaw pupra prapulai prapupra kandai pupra arajalai arajar pra but arajar khatlai ila job kum ila bat kum minister ka cabinet chief Hussein RCN kum deputy chief minister Sansian kum chief minister kata house nem kandai puar arajalai arajar nyaw arajar pra but arajar kandai RCN ila bat kum leader of opposition hakas nem khat kandai spa kandai pupra but arajar pra RCN kum chief advisor government of Meghalaya nado arajar chipeu hadu kane kasngi ka Congress party labat kum president Jong ka Meghalaya Pradesh Congress committee hadu laisen kata house name khat kandai spa kandai pro khat kandai spa kandai Bhoi kandai pulai hadu kandai pun real arajar khat ar bat hadu mentau snem ilabat ru kum chairman Jong ka North East Congress coordination committee hakajin shakri Jong i kumukon dap shinrang Jong kadang Bhoi las ngeu dei ru ban khot ye ukpa Jong ka Bhoi namar badaka jing trai shitam Jong i ilala ban penyo ya ka Bhoi district but I district pura how southrik June khat khandai spa khandai puar ka ba menta ka snem ila rakhe ya ka jing dap absan snem Jong ka district Jong i Dr. Didi Lapang wat hadien bila long kum wei na kinong yalam bah kamadu Jong ka Meghalaya idang pelut por shibon ban pule badak ka jing trai shitam bat ka jing minat Jong i ila yo yakini ki kusnam ki award bat ki decree.
Kadon ke ba penrung hapo jongan na rudang rit na do bangadang long unong lek belas rok nong lek bot ye mei sa umran pentor ban yalur dan kawai ke bahajing long kelung bang sayong happy banyo day banyo dare to win that has gone deep into my veins. I may not mention in a proper way being very young, but I only have the wish that I should be able to. La wan mano asnong yung nong jeri bagi khot babu ong ngaru ngade ban long babu aku esi. Don manora mano bon ra ka jip asnong yung nong jeri ngong balai ngambit ban yo jip lam. Kabamut ba hakamoto jonga kalong dare to win. Hadin bangla khamsan ngayo ya ka jeng penyiar man sem jeng kershan man sem ya ka jeng ong jong ukpa haka kami siapang utensing de kena nong kendong hangtai po Nepal baru syaikin nong yaki nong wan keu yaw lum makasam bahe haka jeng wan jong usai ong ya kami jong ngaru ngakwa ban keu neulum kami kong wat mut kat ubalik shalom uman pasu paru usepting haba kami kong umda hakawai ka sengi wilari ba company jungu kyong ten sing menta men ablek bangi te ukut jumut kat balong kat ba ongi mai tang mangade ban lek ya kami ka pang pa uhab yalam kami kong pa lebut yo ten sing satu cara trajung lom but page kum no le ten sing decided to agree to the proposal of Hillary and he agreed to climb the mountain where mother thought they will never come back alive, but he decided perhaps in his mind he said dare to win. Paula lejo the one pai sayeng ka kami kebatia ke utpang ong pilai yo tensing ngalai ulakeu ha ulakeu si posen ka kali de unuk Paula thai when I tell you has gone, but the last moment that I could see is that tensing keeps on climbing. These words encouraged the mother that he didn't die, he had not fallen down, he keeps on climbing. I imagine myself right from childhood with all the holidays in life. I stopped going to school several times, 5-6 times, and back to square or I go back to the settle again. Na pule biang hadin kita dengan snow mangan share bitang kini hiten keeps on climbing students. Pilawan fail, nawar ba tlat kabor perkat, nawar pang, nawar ba dok, nawar ba don kijing ja ba ya brew, but keep on climbing. Kajing longjing im kaba ai masim bahai na, kalong jong Napoleon Bonaparte. Brew ba satdam, tang samput chin shi, was still brew, bagi ibeng, teasing him always in the school. That his shabby shape and he's very tiny in stature. Hadin, after some time, this small man become great. He's a great general of Corsica. Then when people ask him, Napoleon, what made you? What is the secret that you become great in the world? You're a really great captain general of Corsica. Napoleon, thumbs up, his thumbs up. What did he say? I need just few words to reply to a big question. What is that? I become great because the word impossible would not be found in my dictionary. Young students, do you dare to say so? In your career, poor or not, ailing or otherwise, fail many times or not, do you dare to say your motto in life is the word impossible should not be found in your career.